To get started with TradingView Scripts, first create an account on the TradingView website and familiarize yourself with the platform. The script editor can be accessed by clicking on the Pine Editor tab at the bottom of the screen. Pine Script is the programming language used for creating custom indicators and strategies on TradingView. Begin by choosing a script type, either indicator or strategy, and give it a name. Indicators are used to analyze market data, while strategies are used to generate buy and sell signals. Next, define the input parameters, such as the length of a moving average, and declare the variables that will be used in the script. The Pine script language is based on a series of statements and functions that are executed on each bar of data. The script is typically structured to start with input parameters, followed by variable declarations, and then the main logic of the script. Use the plot function to display the output of the script on the chart. For example, to create a simple moving average indicator, use the ta.sma function, which calculates the simple moving average of a given length. Then use the plot function to display the moving average on the chart. To add a strategy to the script, use the strategy, entry and strategy, exit functions to generate buy and sell signals. To backtest a strategy, use the strategy equity function to calculate the profit and loss of the strategy over a given period. The backtest results can be viewed on the chart, and the performance metrics can be analyzed using the strategy tester. Best practices for writing TradingView scripts include keeping the code organized and readable, using meaningful variable names, and including comments to explain the logic of the script. It is also important to test the script thoroughly to ensure it is working as intended. By following these steps and best practices, you can create custom indicators and strategies using TradingView scripts to improve your trading performance.